Yes, good evening, everyone, friends, supporters, Edo people, and my ever reliable, ever conscious Togba family all over the world. I want to appreciate you. I want to thank you. I want to appreciate you for all you're doing for Edo State, for all you are doing for His Excellency Governor Godwin Nogegase Obaseki, for all you're doing for Edo to move to the next level. I appreciate you. People are beginning to feel our collective impact. People are beginning to feel the force that there is power in unity. There is power in oneness. There is power in every Edo speaking in one voice. This is the first time in the history of Edo politics that a governor is accepted across the 3 senatorial districts, across the 192 wards in the state. Everywhere you go today in Edo State is Obaseki, 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 Obaseki. 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4. Togba, Togba, Togba. We now have Togba family. Anywhere you are in the world, you are a strong supporter of Governor Godwin Obaseki. Count yourself a member of the Togba family. Governor Obaseki does not have money to share. He will never share Edo money. He will never waste Edo money. Governor Obaseki will never give you money to support him. But he will give you what we call the dividends of democracy. He will give the people. He will use Edo people's money to serve Edo. He will not use Edo money to serve politicians. So I want to thank you. I want to appreciate you. And I want to encourage you. This is just the beginning of the fight. Because the forces of darkness, they won't stop fighting. They won't stop plotting. They won't stop strategizing to hijack the system. Today, I want to reply this miserable Ogyomba in Germany. Very miserable Ogyomba. Omoya Omosono. They call him monkey face. But before they gave him monkey face, I was the one that named him social media sickler. He's a sickler. Who are a monkey face? Mete a monkey face. Or we. He's social media sickler. He's sickler no. On your man. On your man. One of the reasons I don't like to engage him is because I have very powerful platform. Very powerful. I have intellectuals. My fans cut across every sectors of the state. We have professionals, we have doctors, we have senators, we have top business moguls, we have top politicians, we have professionals following this page. So engaging the social media sickler is just giving him undue popularity. That is why I don't like engaging him, because that young man is dead. He's a useless boy. He's a useless boy. This social media sickler. You know what? Oh, here when I get Ambroba with Germany. You say you want free people. You say you want fight. I can't even mention the name of our Royal Majesty because it's our hit where we are. Who we are? Me ado aswen you go na aswen ye king ma o na me we wife is san working is san who we are. Oh, we are now all my calling where this guy said this sickler was insulting me. I said, who? I said, I cannot watch his video. You go and watch the video, cut the part where the useless boy for insult me. Because I shared the video where Iran Amigo was raising money for Imaria Bay. Yes. Iran Amigo was denying that he's not Ohiyoba. And I'm with video like that. Because when they were misbehaving that time, even that time, man, they do this useless social media sickler now. Because man, this soon you may also Facebook. So I will not pull my traffic to him because he's a stupid boy. Okay, if you want to use me gain popularity. Because nobody they follow him. If I need view, if man view, maybe if I need gear, done ya gear any, maybe I'll be view. Now when you are fearing, why good dinner? Why good dinner? You people are supposed to be proud of what you're doing. Why good dinner? Nick Magbue, social media sickler. Oviado okopano buwe no bu ona solivio yoru we Africa shop magu we sola dia omani omam ori Nigeria omam e di video o weti e he nu sola dia bu ona nya if you na ye fun e ogbu e ogbona if you down if you are omeme no vioru ona sole ya yoru Africa shop una lefwa. You are a nobody. And Doni Mayena, he ma respect King Ima. He ma respect King Ima. Unuwe o ya rokoi. And unuwe no hebe ya de ube do you know when moto. They will soon abandon you and they will soon delete your number from their phone. Agbofio. Then they fear me. There's no Edo blogger that is carrying your video. We're useless. Everyone who are foolish is almost over me and even foolish. All you way, this stupid boy, just a measure. And I can't watch. In my mama platform when low safe. I said, go watch her. Cut where the guy for talk to me. I want pay you. What pay you? Wabi Maria be one kid one ami buwa one watale. Unuwe nu ya yo ya negwani. Unuwe ni fwe ya David ya mwenyoto. Unuweni. It's anywhere. I don't have your time because who were finished. Me masho we mama wagwa. Agbo few we a German we yeni. Agbo few. And the more you got don't know how many here way. You know we are first and way you have to be tactical about this useless boy. Now we wa here M1. I have both when rack. Di ma worry Germany me deport when the deport and the mafia. I am here now. I'm here to come and meet me. Whoever for not tip for not lay. And the mafia, I'm here now. Come and look for me. I'm here now. Well, why then if you not tip for the mafia film auto Silvani, you were nowhere to be found. You are a useless boy. I go fear with the referee making. If I call you like sugar. Ya sunu ye ni ya be ahele wa mi on liduwa oye kakaraka ye to hoa oge no ro tagbo na unwe boy ni oye oge ya no ro tagbo na unwe boy ni omu ada ogo bebe ni amu yobo eboya nu tie ne gua eboya nu tie ne ma ni sike gua ebo nu tie ne ma who walk now because you are already dead. Who were form on where be everybody say, one day when I'm away, able not be no left away. You are a useless boy. You are a useless boy. After some personal way, why are you popular? That's why I will not mention your name here. Because everybody know that you are a social media sickler. Who were me? Who were gune? Whatever no migo, oh no ba. Whatever. Amigo na se we yo bena e video na mo video la dia. Ina amwe la de una ma giewe no ya amwe gwagboto. Una ma giewe no ya amwe gwagboto. Amigo we yo de a coffee ne iye Maria be. Ona you nu be di meye na eme gwa amana tie me yo igwan yo. We ona yin sunu we gwa okay about you here. Was talking anyhow at that period. Hero K no yo ya ne gwa. Ma oma agwa ma ya gwa. Ina we video again ina won ya. Ina we what take a maternize. What ever so calling me ya. I keep telling them don't drag me into anything concerning palace. E kenana yo ya ne gwa yimudiaba. Can I yo ya ne gwa imudiaba agetivete again who done a mocky face na social media cycler na hana swe again ina fire edion me ye ona do de ba me na fire edion you know get away ona me born I am agbon na we since my vacuum fire edion na we not talk any talk over until one day me royal lawyer me o wa call him when my office when my be ko correct office ni ma set up a foundation hima where e di on the go na we win office ba mu me okay na agba office o le pe we ona we che we e ma ro ni here ni go ni yen ya we ya wa he ni me give you a report here ni go ni yen na we you don't get na we no we on I have a different from e di on so again ni me here ikula wa da o platform we ya re go since that day I call the mega phone. Oh yeah, discharge you dana. Okay, no swear. All the way one video. Oh we 100 governor they 1 million naira every month. All what this boy we tell you about again. My so you ya legwa who dana. My so fit gbege gwa. Na okay. Na we boy na we want that we thank God. Give man le we collabo business. Any business that way where you ready mediate. If I cannot afford it, I don't go into it. Look at this one. Okay, this Sickler is here, or is this Prosy? This Sickler is here, or Sickler. Hey, this is a Murphy face a dose. Let me reply you. I'm sure you are in a civilized country. That time, why did you send? You said, okay, look, let me read your this thing. You said you gave me 30K. How? From where? Which account you pay out to? Where is the slip? Go and print the slip. Don't fake the slip, oh. Because people know the sleep. Go and print it. It may who berry. Now where this who done him. May you want to tell where a guy of a few people. It was not insulting me. After he don't use me gain popularity. Because it was always calling me. I just do something now about Dion. I just let me share now. I'll go share now. So every time say this boy is stupid boy. I said no, Dion said not clear. Make it the fire Dion. I'll fire Dion. I want to threaten him. I want to let send the Dion. Me, I not say because he was not raking, he was not extorting people. It be like he even set up one foundation. There was a time he was not using his own. What did they call that foundation when he set up? A foundation he failed. Dana. Okay, the swan get guy. Man, not the more contracting in your ball. There was even a day I was checking one of my friends' platform. All that swim, you get a platform or so. But I don't know. I'm not share a video of it. No way. Why you share? You don't call it. Now, why you share this boy a video? Or when the boy they talk about history? Now, no. You know, maybe not the one way good that you listen to. Now, useless boy. The only work way they do for Facebook now today insult our king. Now, useless boy. Go delete him and block him. I believe it's not process. I can maybe your crazy process now to come reply me. I said, go and block him. He's a useless boy. You say the guy that talk history. That's say if you need Edo history, go to the palace and buy Edo history, not the useless one that the useless boy is using to brainwash people. I just send when so I send him or wrong. If the amigo send a share video, is an amigo denying we marry Zigo ne marry Abe or denier. Are you not proud of the rubbish that you people are doing online? In that one why in that way, because me, I don't enjoy whatever. All the other way you are even making the issue popular. But so that's what I think why you so near boy now, because while you are dragging traffic to that person. But today, in that way you get it, you flog away. Down here, down. What am I mean that time go? Yeah, where more? I have 20. I have more. Oh yeah, where are they do? Where are they do? Where are they do? And I lay or hamu. What can we genu ya go? Where are they do? We me power. We me power ya go tag bona. Where are they do? Look go wa. Look what? Where? Oh, you're back. Amigo, I am late. I am late because I get it. Amigo, it's a way every social media lorena and why? It can't come why any. Now we and why? Why? Away 1,000 views, 20,000 views, 50,000 views. Why do I go? Why do I tell you now? My Gilboa, I want them that every you're not having swear. Amen. In that you remember I follow on was see window or see window or back window that was like no I like any o me don't know it we mina the guye Tony Kabaka go and I went on that way I me do ke prophet ke salt and water na we salt and water before me do go do a few na the block na block him na very I will block a proxy and on a year no one a proxy one maybe after today now he are blocking. La whoa social media sickler. Talk about family, mama need the support to wear. Mama need you wear. Mama need you wear. Mama need you wear. Abba said man need your support. Down okay. My go along your ban support man. Magwalo mwe wala we wala face a problem we wa mwe face because me ti so ni we kini me la so ni e king me because everywhere we I cannot say this everywhere of it. No, you are too small to even throw words to the palace. So support you mama gwalo you are not recognized. We don't need your support. One wow that can be because any of us your mic no ala them no way. Any governor in me, or Mike no Allah jam because we are a useless boy. Oh no babu yeah, oh no baba fan, oh no babu ta, okay, oh no ba, okay. We don't need you. We don't need you. If you think maybe well, if you get go out do support a government, you will not get that cover. You will not get that support from government. The government does not recognize you. Obaseki might do exist. You are a useless boy. Oh, call me any. However, you don't see the office. We need to rent her. Many people want to donate. That way. This one. Let's say this one said that even criminal. That was when I cut off. Thank God. Say, he said, we don't rent any office. Let's say office. We don't need office. If you get anybody who wants to send you money, tell them they send the money to their family. Tell them to send the money to their family. If everybody they take care of their family, we don't go see beggars for streets. We don't go see people they go genocide. They say they want go collect money. We don't go see people they fall into the hands of 419. Before any of my brothers or siblings go into anything, they must call me. They must call me because they know say I be responsible elder brother, and I must advise them to say Ekenuriena Emma anyway you are. I told them, I have my lawyer office that the near vegetable market. Dion, no the office. Now the lawyer wanted J. Dion before Dion can go to beg. Elari ati a jelo jono sage. Ona no ya beg. Ke a give man ke different corner ni la wo. Make boy na mo office re wala wo. Make oye man dey yo. The next one so wa re. We have we governor paying me 1 million. Somebody say social media sickler. I said, me? I said, what did they follow the gospel? May you correct when you know my pick a correct after like 2 3 4 months. May you also have to beg. May you also have to beg. Egwana okay, boy, now is a contractor. Imuna danu nuya lehengbere na numaya enegwe na emani gewele wokpa gbon fi wokpa ya muhu emani gewe ni muda yowe yeke ya yegbele ya muhu that because you are a useless boy, you are a cursed child. Dan okay look at it amigo amigo fieme. People will just call you, give you fake information. The next thing you wrote on the internet and start talking anyhow. Social media no now. Look at it, amigo today now. You be on your back. You are not a friend of the palace. You be on your back, Saki. Because I have any dan, every no more your rule. Every neck you working. Bunu ye so why? Governor Godwin Nogega said Obaseki, governor of Edo State, is this, is that. Ugie. Eruneoge mweyohu, a kesi howe. Ogi me. Eminanima wiwe. Enime yo bo wiwe. A kesi me. Ukyonge egwa. Ukyonge roba. Ukyonge bat. Ukyonge kabaka. Woye police mwe kabaka vitali na amigo. Now you use police arrest Kabaka. You label him terrorist. You label him a terrorist. You arrested him. At the end of the day, you don't succeed. You went to America. You called the FBI. You gave Tony Kabaka's details to the FBI. You have details of the FBI. There is nothing you didn't say. From there, you enter Captain Osa. You enter Captain Osa. Rovia. Una use almost 4 months ya Rovia Captain Osa. Captain Osa in Canada. Una Rovia. I was always calling. Eranomigo, calm down. Then the next one, like Buhari, Woshomole. I mean, what Showore is suffering for now? You said worse against Buhari. I never enter Buhari. You know, say I get all your old videos. If I bring Buhari on command and I print and put up for SSS office here, they go bring you come Nigeria. You'll be extradited to Nigeria. Now, Oiboke, now don't serve you call people now when they run up and down now. You are confused. You never see litigation. You never see anything. Oiboke, now can't drop paper for you when you don't they run up and down. So you never see anything. Let's be very, very, very careful with this social media platform that we have. For me, I'm using it to preach good governance. Politics. Even when I was having issue with Osage, there are some information they will give to me. I say, this one heavy, una get evidence. This one heavy, so no let me talk. But if you just tell an amigo anything, an amigo will not verify, he will not investigate, will just go to live video and start saying rubbish. So let's be very, very careful. Let us be very, very careful. I want to advise everybody. Some are still hiding. Imagine that he used less sickler. He can still brainwash people. Some people still call into a live video. That would be like human being one or feel born for Bele. Can you wish to have that kind of person as a son? You when they listen and you when they call land. You feel wish when you born that guy picking. That would be like human being. What they call it? When they send me the video today, I say I watch and I say, don't mind the guy. At least let me cure him. And I'm not sure I will still have your time. Or I will still come back and flog you. When me, you never see anything. You use less social media sickler. Man, I saw anywhere, or by ma. He said to him, because you are a useless boy. So Edo people, let's be very careful of the kind of people we listen to on social media. Let us use this social media platform to preach good governance, to say good things about our state, to say good things about our palace, to say good things about our government. If you must criticize government, criticize constructively. Say, government is not doing well in social area. I'm advising government to look at social area. You criticize and you try to proffer solution. You suggest a solution. You don't just go online and start spoiling the image of your state. You can't just go online and start spoiling the image of your state. Look at some small boys now. They are killing themselves in the door, all in the name of courtesy. And on amigo, wearing Facebook, even this social media sickler now, wherever you use your platform to say enough of court killings, enough. Agbonweware na ya yoyane imana gbo maso wewe here. Oni agbonwere. Oni wa agbonwere a. Use your platform, amigo. It's still not too late. Why even you don't know yegwa? Egwa, we conduct different in when I rob ya chiefs now. You come home. You come home and clear it once and for all. And the more you don't clear, babe. Whenever you but today, is it not a friend of the palace? So, a monkey face near to social media sickler. Wage ye betai. Do wage share a video here. Done. Done. E boy are not see me we ohia balo. E boy are no eti ne gwati ne chief ti ne rima. Ohia balo cause ducking. We come work 1 million imo. Ya also my instinct not defame me. So I not fair trust this boy. He lies too much. Even when he was attacking Osagi that time, I mean, you know, he's a condemned soul. So, you hear the way I say, when you are Johnny, clear every amigo. Amigo, you really need to do the right thing regarding the palace. But over government in the raw, you have to provide evidence of everything, of all the allegations, all the things you have said against the government. You say you have proof. And where time you won't let me talk. So make sure you start. All the people that have been calling you, giving you this false information, start calling them to start sending evidence. Because when we ready, you will not say you will feel SSS fee from here. Write FBI. FBI will write you. They will invite you and advise you to go to your country to clear your name. If you don't go, you will be bundled. You will be bundled. They will put you, come clear your name for here. You can't destroy people's names. You know if you spoil the name when people use how many years they build, all in the name of social media. Let's be very, very, very careful. Let's be very, very, very careful. Only the social media sickler monkey, that one is already dead. That one is dead among the living. Only Gule, that one is beyond redemption. That one is dead already. Where are you come home? Can't you buy tickets? Come home and fight. Let us see you fighting. Not be to hide on that back of one chair, the romance with all those dirty clothes they wear. I'm not done. So I want to thank you. Thank you for watching. Voila, why take it serious? Mama Gia, whatever you are saying in support of Obaseki, you are your own. We don't recognize you. We will not recognize you in the morning. We will not recognize you in the afternoon. We will not recognize you in the evening. The governor is Oba's son of your banner. Iriya Obayi. So where you are negwan, where do I get governor? We will never identify with you because you are a useless person. You are born useless. It shows that since your birth, you have been a problem to your family. There's nothing you have achieved in your life. You have been a problem. The eye when they talk now blackmail. Obaseki they give her money. Obaseki they give her money. That's the only thing that you people know how to say. You were talking about money. So look at this coward. Because you are a born coward. So please, Why you going on? Why? I don't want anybody to be dragging his palace name and that useless boy. That one is dead. That one only good Bogariana. Only good Bogariana. Only good Bogariana. Only I know figure gua. Useless boy. So I want to say greetings to my Edo people, my fans, Talk About family all over the world. Let's continue to preach peace. Let's continue to preach oneness. Let's continue to unite as one. Let's continue to love ourselves. Let's continue to support ourselves. Let's continue to do what is right. Let's also try to condemn act that is capable of breaching peace in our day state. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for... Thank you, my brother. Yes, I can see positive comments. Oh yeah, we say. When who Daniel when you go, they are saying you egwa evon of one say gate. Of one say gate because I believe any on meme on money on meme. The boy is mad. Meme on lie egwa ma. Oh ye evon ti. I won't down the gear. No fit be egwa anyway like video. Any of the call itself here so near. Here ye lay here. Dani ona we hia yi won ya magbe kwa da here e bonu cheni yedu wo hia mo ni ya no me gwe me magwe bona tie but e boya no tie ni yedu no tie ni e maya the supported gwa we o hia mo no me. So today is just for these idiots, this Iranomiwa and this other Yori and the me one boy is here we talk by Mexico. I don't know these people. Me watch here. Me want here what tell you know what Magba is blocked. I don't want to be associated with any evil communication. It's straight block. Remember, if I booyah down here, I'm too busy. Me, I get politics and my personal life and business to attend to. But a video here sometimes 3 hours. Why talk? 3 hours, 4 hours. Talking rubbish. 4 hours. Why talk? 2 hours. And when we go online, 3 hours. They romance. Oh, you have to beg show me ball. Go and check all my videos. The highest I would say is Oshomole wants to be Godfather, Oshomole wants to control Gio, Oshomole wants to decide. I have never insulted Oshomole. I don't know how to insult. But when the mentality will know how to say insult or say insult. So Allah will do. Why we cannot fit get go why am we exchange words? Because we exchange words, you are making them popular and you are exposing the matter. Let their platform just die a natural death. Because me also near Sikla, and the Murphy so near Sikla, not Passonia Sikla, and I was saying Sikla. By the way, I Sikla na, who tell us no, if I do ya again, do ya damn and the money boom a fish brain. Anything not really like, really, yeah, screen away on a meme. Yeah, well, absorb it. You don't know. So please, let's be very, very wary of of people that we give attention to. By the grace of God, and though we remain united, I was not raised to disrespect the palace. I was not raised to fight any system that is working. I was raised to support the palace. I was raised to support a government that is working. I was raised to respect my elders. So cannot see about anyone. So 4 plus 4 talk back. I will not back. Mama give back. While you look by a government, Mama give where Sikla, more support where I don't know. Mama give support the governor. Mama give where more support where I don't know. Mama wow, Mama wow, from my way. You are just on your own. We don't recognize you. We are like Nigeria, say we government those that all can go where the palace. Do my or look at and support a governor in Masakwe. You are not recognized. So we appreciate you. We thank you. God bless you. Amigo, emi alunuta emuladia emaebawe. Emaebawe. Wa tia shomole ya mo video lu yaro shomole mu internet. Uga tia Obaseki. amwe video no yaro yo ba se ki muladia. Uga te kabaka. Amwe video no yaro kabaka e muladia. Uga te kapetosa. Amwe video so I'm one we gine le ku e na no maika yo yana. On your buweri na. Oshomole cannot defend you. If let me you enter, if let me you sing Oshomole praise from now till next year. Oshomole will never have your time. Because you made some serious statements against Oshomole, which you will prove. And you say government will get you to prove it. And we are no time Oshomole. More than repeat it. But wherever you type, come and share some of the videos there. I don't say government will get you to come and prove it. Who must to prove it? So you are in serious trouble. Oiboke, please, if you have Oiboke's the ANA Oga, if you have his contact, send me his phone number. I'm interested in that case. I'm interested. By the time Oiboke is done with Enanamigo ga mekenana mwe picture eman ladia mwe minia uyinya all day you have. So thank you very much and God bless you. I can see some negative. I see positive comments. I don't know how to block. I also see some negative comments from this agent of darkness. I don't know how to block people. You are free to make positive or negative comment. And you know, I'm not an amigo. An amigo does not allow criticism. An amigo does not allow opposite views. For me, it's a free world. Anything you like, you praise me. You like, you criticize me. And you know, I know myself. I know who I am. And that's the most important thing. So thank you very much for watching. Thanks for sharing. Please share this broadcast. Imaso in here. Where's social media Sikla? You know who I am referring to. Social media. His name is Social Media Sikla. It's Sikla no. Where am I? Dry season. See, that one is dead among the living. Good night, everyone. God bless you and bye. Yeah, I say I see you, my brother. I see you, Nancy Norma. God bless you. No, thank you, my brother. I won't block anybody. I won't block. Again, may I let I get engaged. So now, I think they realize. Look, I was again today. Now he's talking about travel, Russia. Russia, I mean, which country that day? Which country? I'll be Dubai. That people should come and deposit 500,000 for them to go to Dubai. How can you be doing that? I can't be telling people to make deposit of 500,000 for you to take them to Dubai. So if you collect deposit from 20 persons, is that not 10 million naira already? Why were we winning for one now? In winning, now take advantage of people. Why we Dubai 500,000 deposit? Do you need 500,000 to go to Dubai? I will make a deposit here. Why will you make deposit? Go America. Anybody want to carry you go America? Don't deposit. Go carry and go bank. Show them the money for inside bank. Say, look at your money. Your money is here. Give me visa. I give you your money. Don't make any deposit. As long as they operate, they collect deposit from more than 50 persons. Then they'll come do trial and error. Maybe inside the 50, 5 will come enter. They'll come tell you say, now you get bad luck. See this one and say I apply for all of now. If you apply for 50 visa, there's every tendency that you get 5, that you get 10. Why so everybody should go and hustle. Since I started social media, I've never come online to raise money, to say send me money. I can't do it. Let's stop it. You never reach to drive car of 5 million. You want to dupe Edo people online to buy car. You never reach to build a place. You want to scam people online, hiding other travel agent and charity to build a place. You never reach to travel every week, every 2 weeks. There was like is always out of the country. Who they walk, not they travel up and down. When they carry this money, they go. So please spread this message. If anybody tell you say in a travel agent deposit, tell them that the only fee we pay is the visa fee. If you give me the visa, I will pay you your travel agency fee. Don't fall mugu for anybody. Because we get many people for abroad who want to carry their brothers, their sisters go abroad. So they easily they feel they fall for this scam. So we'll come and say, how about we just like you. How about you get will feel do visa for person and they tend to say, I no get. I don't have. Even if I hear say 1 or 2 persons they do it, not be me they do it. I no get. I no fit say somebody will go collect money from you 600,000, 1 million. One woman come in and they say give somebody 800,000 for visa for almost 3 years and the person on the pick it call. He no see visa, he no see passport. That is what they do. So let us take this thing easy. Let's take this thing easy. Let's take it easy. So thank you very much for watching. Thanks for sharing. God bless you and bye.